Hi, I'm Teresa Martin. Welcome to TechEyes, where we look at the intersection of technology and the world around us. Sometimes technology doesn't directly change us. Instead, it changes the basic assumptions of our world, taking us along for the ride. Disintermediation is one of those $10,000 words, and it just means that the role of the middleman has changed. The middleman is that person between all of us and whatever the it is. Today, we're exploring the rise of something called the citizen scientist. And with me is Chief of Natural Resources at the National Park Service's Cape Cod National Seashore, Jason Taylor, and Megan Tyrell, Research and Monitoring Coordinator there. Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Great to have you today.
Glad to be here.
I'd actually kind of like to start off by asking about this term, citizen scientist. What does that mean? What is a citizen scientist?
I think there are definitely several ways to define it, from the simple to the more complex. And if you just look at it from a very basic level, I think it's a group or an individual even that's making and recording observations about something in the world.
And in your world, you have a lot of natural land and natural resources that you're tasked with monitoring and taking care of. So I would imagine that having all these eyes on the street, so to speak, feet on the street, feet on the trails.
On the trails.
Sure, definitely on the trails.
Certainly make a difference. I mean, you're both trained scientists.
Sure.
I mean, that's what you do, that's what you've studied, that's what you know. How do you see the role of citizens in science?
I think it's vital, actually, especially in a world that seems to be changing so fast and faster every year. There's just no way that trained scientists can be everywhere to measure everything all of the time.
You haven't cloned yourself yet?
No, we haven't perfected that method yet. So the citizen scientist basically can serve as our eyes and ears in the field to help us facilitate collection of data that's important to us for critical resource management.
Now, I was thinking of citizen science as being something that's fairly new and evolving, driven by digital technologies. But does the idea have roots that have been around a while? Is this something sort of new and unique to what we're seeing now?
That's a very